Okay, so we've arrived at the Atlanta Lenox Mall Supercharger. It is, let's see how many stalls it claims to have. It claims to have 16 stalls. There are 8 available. There'll be 7 in a minute. Now the thing with the Urban Superchargers is they are limited to 72 kilowatts each, and they do not power share, so it doesn't really matter what number you're on, except if you park in a sea of gray Teslas and you want to know which one's yours. Wait, that's tight. I do not recommend this stall. Okay, so we are at... Yeah, so they got cute little stalls. This is the back of one. Got the handle there. We're at 1A, all the way down here. But like I said, it doesn't exactly matter what number you choose. There we go, getting 71 kilowatts. I'd say that's pretty good. Take a quick look at the layout here. We're on level 1E. Got all these stalls here like that. These conduits here will lead to the cabinets. And there we go, it goes all the way up to 8B. And the reason they still have the 8Bs is because they still actually share cabinets, but because they're locked in place is why we don't care what numbers they are. Okay, after I get all situated, we will see where the restrooms are and give them all a quick run through, and then we'll be on our way to the next location. Okay, we're now leaving the car. I'm gonna look for the nearest restroom. It's a large mall, so I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10. Well, with the caveat that it is a Urban Supercharger, I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 for an Urban Supercharger. I would give it more, but it's kind of out of the way. But there's plenty to do here, and the reason I don't give it more is because it is a mall and it will close for holidays and such. Okay, at the end of the row we've got the Atlanta Police substation, so feel safe parking here. Alright, well, music, so we'll see how it goes here. Thank you. Okay. There we go, there's some food. Got California Pizza Kitchen, Ladies Foot Locker. And it's a mall, so there's plenty to do inside. then over this way, we've got your restrooms. And then you've got your various restrooms right here, next to the police substation. Oh boy, if you don't like crowds, this is one to give a hard pass, especially if you don't need the charge. But with all the options for shopping and eating and just killing time, keeping in mind that this is an Urban Supercharger, I give this an 8 out of 10. I've revised my rating. The only thing that's really bringing it back down again is the inconvenience of getting to it. But it's, it's not the same if you're local. So if you're local, it might not be inconvenient, but coming from out of town, if you're not coming particularly to this mall, I call it inconvenient.